Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this set of 2 of these 40-ounce Stanley lids. These things are really nice because they actually come with 2 straws, a nice cleaning tool, and these 2 really nice lids. And I say they're nice because 1, they're extremely clear. They're very hard plastic as far as being very robust, very thick. Now they are a standard size, so you're going to have them, looks like they're about 4 inches across, which is going to fit the 40-ounce Stanley. And it does have this part here, which is the silicone seal, which actually wraps completely around the edge, but it is removable. So you can remove that if you want to wash it, clean it out, anything like that. All one solid molded piece. Really nice action on the straw. And these straws here do fit really nicely, and it'll fit the standard size as well. So that's going to work out great. The whole total length from the lid all the way to the straw is about a little over 9 inches there, which is going to fit all the way to the bottom of that 40-ounce Stanley. Really a great set. Nice replacement lids. Thank you guys again for sending them.